Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss comments in C. The comments in C are human readable explanations or notes in the source code of a C program. There are two types of comments in C. Single line comment, multi-line comment. First one, single line comment. A single line comment in C starts with double forward slash. It extends till the end of the line and we don't need to specify its end. So this is the example program for a single line comment. This is the comment. And the output, we see it's printing welcome to CS Linux. It won't print comment. Second one, multi-line comment. Multi-line comment in C starts with a forward slash and asterisk and ends with an asterisk and forward slash. These comments are ignored by the compiler. This is the syntax for the multi-line comment. It accepts multi-lines to comment. This is the example program for multi-line comment. If we see the comment, here we are having multi-lines. The output is welcome to CS Linux. Next, we'll discuss token in C. A token in C can be defined as the smallest individual element of the C programming language that is meaningful to the compiler. It is the basic component of a C program. Here we have few types of tokens in C. Keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols, and operators. First one, keywords. The keywords are predefined or reserved words which performs specific task. These cannot be used as a variable names. C language supports 32 keywords which are given below. Auto, break, case, character, constant, continue, default, double, else, enum, extend, float, for, go to, int, long, register, return, short, sign, size of, struct, switch, typedef, union, unsigned, void, volatile, do, if, static, while. All these are keywords in C. Next, identifiers. Identifiers are used as the general terminology for the naming of variables, functions, and arrays. So here we have few rules to write the identifier. They must begin with a letter or underscore. They must consist of only letters, digits, or underscore. No other special character is allowed. It should not be a keyword. It must not contain white space. It should be up to 31 characters long as only the first 31 characters are significant. These are the rules for naming identifiers. Here is an example. Main, it's a method name, and we can see A, which is a variable name. Next one, constants. The constants refer to the variables with fixed values. They are like normal variables but with the difference that their values cannot be modified in the program once they are defined. Constants may belong to any of the data types. Next, see token strings. Strings are nothing but an array of characters ended with a null character. This null character indicates the end of the string. Strings are always enclosed in double quotes, whereas a character is enclosed in a single quote. Here is an example. This is the example for declaring the string. Next, special symbols. The following special symbols are used in C having some special meaning and this cannot be used for some other purpose. Some of these are listed below. Brackets. Opening and closing brackets are used as array element references. These indicate single line multi-dimensional subscripts. Next, parentheses. These special symbols are used to indicate function calls and function parameters. Next, braces. These opening and ending curly braces mark the start and end of a block of code containing more than one executable statement. Next, comma. It is used to separate more than one statement, like for separating parameters in function calls. Next, colon. It is an operator that essentially invokes something called an initialization list. Next, semicolon. It is known as a statement terminator. It indicates the end of one logical entity. That's why each individual statement must be ended with a semicolon. Next, asterisk. It is used to create a pointer variable and for the multiplication of variables. Next, assignment operator. It is used to assign values and for logical operation validation. Preprocessor. The preprocessor is a macro processor that is used automatically by the compiler to transform your program before actual compilation. Next, period. Used to access members of a structure or union. Next, tilde. Bitwise ones complement operator. Next token is operators. What are operators? Operators are symbols that trigger an action when applied to C variables and other objects. The data items on which operators act are called operands. First one is unary operators. Those operators that require only a single operand to act upon are known as unary operators. For example, increment and decrement operators. Next one is binary operators. Those operators that require two operands to act upon are called binary operators. Binary operators can further are classified into arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and bitwise operators. Last one is ternary operator. The operator that requires three operands to act upon is called the ternary operator. Conditional operator is also called the ternary operator. Thank you all.